Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video on how you could change the name of this outside curve, because you definitely want to cut it out last. If you cut it out first or near the first, it's going to fall through. So this outside needs to go all the way to the top. In the previous video, I took it and you have to go from page to page to page to page to page. And I actually dropped it in and grouped it. So let's go on those two objects and just ungroup. So there's our curve. There's the one we need at the very top. I'm going to Control X and cut it. I made it disappear. Then I'm just going to go all the way to the top and go right in there. I'm going to go Control V as in Vinny, and it's going to paste it. And it just so happened to paste it on the top. Even if it wasn't on the top, it was still a couple of down. You can very easily move it to the very top. And inside a Corel Draw or inside the print driver, it's going to start from the bottom and work its way up. So this way, that last cut, and you moved it up a lot quicker than trying to move it down, because when you get down here, you can't really see where you're at, and there's a lot of curves. There's 360 something curves on this. So let's get it down to the very bottom instead of sitting there taking this few seconds. Let's do what we did before. We got it highlighted, Control X for cutting it, which I never use because I always copy and paste, and then if I want to move it, and then just click in there and Control V for paste, and there it is. It put it right on top again. So it's going to cut these in this order, and then it's going to go cut out the very last. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.